Have you ever signed up for a foam roller class and then realized, I don't have a foam roller? Or has your teacher ever said, grab your circle? And you said, well, what's a circle? Well, I'm going to show you today some great prop substitutions in case you don't have the equipment you need at home. Lying on the foam roller, either horizontally or vertically, gives you some great shoulder and upper back stretches. If you don't have a foam roller, you can easily replicate this by rolling up a blanket. A wool or cotton blanket works best. You want a blanket that is firm and dense rather than a fluffy and light one. Just roll it up tight and you've got yourself an excellent substitution for the foam roller. Then you can do your shoulder and upper back stretches. There are some stretches and exercises that benefit you by having your pelvis raised. Often we'll use a foam roller for this, but you might just find that you like the blanket better. Rollers are known for what they do best, rolling. Rolling releases painful knots and stimulates blood flow. Most classes with a foam roller will end up rolling out some part of the body. You might just want to skip this one altogether and book a massage, or you can use a few everyday items, but be mindful. They might be more intense than a foam roller, so proceed carefully. Tennis balls can get into places that the roller can't. And there will be a lot more pressure since the surface area of the ball is so small. A rolling pin is a little less intense than the tennis ball and a little easier to store than the foam roller. The roller is just the cherry on top of this popular spine exercise. You can try it with 2 small or medium-sized balls or go completely propless. The bonus to using tennis balls is that the palms of your hands will get a really good massage. Here's what to do when you don't have a resistance band. Step 1, order a resistance band. This prop is a must-have. It's cheap, easy to store, and it will add so much to your mat workout. While you wait for your band to arrive in the mail, dig through your winter bin and find a scarf, or grab that belt thing from your bathrobe. Or even a regular bath towel can work. You want something long and thin that's easy to grasp in your hands. Adding a resistance band makes many movements more demanding, and while it's not necessary, it will challenge you and help you progress. You may be surprised how much pull there is to a bath towel. If you're crafty, you can go the extra mile and make a dedicated Pilates towel that has a lot more stretch than a rolled up one. Check out our DIY video on how to do that. Bands provide resistance to arms and legs during a mat workout that's mostly core focused. They're great because you can increase or decrease your resistance by hand placement. Grab 2 full water bottles and follow along, even if you're working out some different muscles than your classmates. Your arms will still be challenged and benefit from the added weight. The circle is the most challenging prop to replicate, but it is possible. Like the resistance band, you'll need to gather multiple items. In a lot of mat exercises, you'll use your arms or legs to squeeze it. A medium-sized ball is a decent stand-in. A firm pillow can get the job done too, but the best thing to use, in my opinion, is your imagination. Trick your body into believing the circle is there. You'll ignite those muscles almost as if it is. Sometimes Pilates and yoga teachers will say, grab your block, as if it's an everyday item in your home. Most folks don't have yoga blocks lying around their living room. Most often, blocks are used to lift the floor to you in challenging stretches. But grab a few books and you're good to go. You can customize how much you need to bring the floor up to you by adding more books. You don't need a lot of surface area, so any size book will work, and genre doesn't matter. You can also use books as a bolster in place of where a towel or a block is used. Propping up parts of your body can make some stretches more effective and more satisfying. You will want a book stack large enough to support your whole bottom. So spend 5 minutes today and gather these items up. Thanks for watching. In addition to tips like these, we also upload full classes every Monday. If you're interested in taking more classes or even joining us live, click subscribe below for an exclusive offer.